Hello everyone and welcome back to another KTANE tutorial. Today I'll be covering the Starmessage module. Now on the module you'll see 4 LEDs that flash Japanese Morse code characters, a display that shows how much time you have left, but I'll get into that later, and 2 buttons. One has a dot and one has a dash. In order to solve this module, we'll pretty much need to submit 3 Japanese characters in Morse within quick succession. But before we can do that, we'll have to decode these 4 stars here. As the manual mentions, the characters will be shuffled among the displays. So you can start from any star, but I would usually recommend starting from the bottom left star and then working your way up to the top right star. If you scroll down here, you'll have a table that shows every Japanese character written in Morse. There could be also characters that use certain modifiers. For instance, characters that use these quotation marks over here will have a dot at the end of its sequence. So, for example, it will be like, let's see. So it will be dash dot space dot dot. Sometimes characters can use the circle modifier, which is over here. And then it will add a dot dot dash dash dot to the sequence. So for example, let's say dash dash dot dot space dot dot dash dash dot. By the way, you don't necessarily need to decode every letter. You can decode 3 letters and you'll be fine. Maybe even 2 if you're lucky, or less. So let me get to decoding real quick. So first one would be dash dash dot dash dot dash dot dash dot. Okay, which corresponds to she. So I'll paste it in here. She. Now for the second star. So let me wait for it to reset. Dash dash dot dash dot. Wait, let me check again. Dash dash dot dash dot. So it's she again. Now let me go to this. Now once you have 3, 2, or any amount of characters that you have decoded, you will have to pretty much unscramble the word here and pretty much use that word. We'll have to use this table here in order to determine the position that we'll be starting on this table over here. So let me Control F real quick. So it's she, so it's this character. Oh, and would you look at that? We're looking for this word. So then, and now we need to determine the shift value. So in order to determine the shift value, we'll need to look at the last number of the serial, which is 7. 7. So, okay. So once you got your word and you determined your shift value, you should have an intersection. For this case, it's 7. So now I go down here to this table and select 7. Now there's 2 letters. Which one should I use? Should I use the left one or should I use the right one? Well, that's entirely determined by the position of the dash here. If the dash is on the right, use the right column. Otherwise, left. So for our first character, we would submit se. And then once we submit se, we would move 1 cell down and move to the other column. So we'll pretty much do down left. We would submit su. And you do that again, but so it would be this and ka. So we'll need to submit the characters for se, su, and ka. Now you go down here again and just look for these characters. So se would be, where is it? There you go. Se. Then su, which would be, yep, that's the correct one. So it's setsu, and then ka. Now, as soon as I press any of these buttons, a timer will start to go off. Pretty much you'll have 4 seconds to input a singular character. If you say you ran out of time or submitted an incorrect character, so let's say, oh no, I ran out of time, you'll be placed on a 10-second cooldown. So that means you cannot submit again, and you'll need to wait another 10 seconds. So let me just wait for a minute. Okay, I think it might be reset. If you solve the module correctly, you'll be played this sound. So and yeah, that's how you solve the module. Let me do another one to show you another example. So here we have another example. I'll look for the serial first. So its serial is Lima Foxtrot 5, Juliet November 1. And dash is on the right side. So let me try decoding it first. So first star would be, let me see. I just need to wait for a set. Okay. Dash dot dash 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 dot dash dash which would correspond to K. Second one. Now let me see if I have one. Features K. It's one word or multiple. Okay, so it could be either of those two. So I just need one more letter. Dot dash dot dash. Okay, so it's dot dash. So that would correspond to. Yeah, that's a lot of dashes. E. That would correspond to E now. So it's this word. Now last digit of serial is 1, so our shift value is 3. It's this one. We start out on row 3. Dash is right, so we use this character. Down left would be me, and then down right would be ke. Yep. And now so it would be, I think that's she me kan. Oh, oops. She me ke. There you go. And K is over here. So now I have to submit those. And yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to this module. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you guys again in the next one.